Hello YouTube and welcome to another Windows tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can view the GPU performance in Task Manager in Windows 10. So are you ready? Let's get started. So as you may know, in previous versions of Windows you cannot see actually the performances of the graphical processing unit, but in Windows 10 you can do that via the Task Manager. So in order to reach the Task Manager, you can actually just right click on the taskbar here and choose the Task Manager, or you can simply use the shortcut Control Shift then Escape key. Okay, so here we go. Now we have the Task Manager, and here you'll notice at the right end we have actually two columns that have been added in Windows 10, which are GPU and GPU engine. So using actually these two columns, you can see actually how much of the GPU has been utilized by your system or any process that is running on your system. So here you can see clearly that Camtasia, which is the application I'm using to record the screen here, is actually consuming my GPU actually unit. Okay, of course you can sort. If you click just here, you can sort it and see the process that is consuming the most of the GPU. You can also go to your performance tab here and go just at the bottom here in the GPU. So here I'm having actually the NVIDIA graphic card. So here you can see live lot of sensors about the GPU performance. And just here at the bottom you can see actually live view or summary of the utilization here and how much GPU memory are you using right now. Also the dedicated GPU memory and shared GPU memory. Of course, also you can view the driver version, the driver depth, and the DirectX version. Okay, so all these information are valuable for you if you want to see which process or which application actually are utilizing your GPU or graphic unit processing unit. Okay, so this feature actually has been added into the Task Manager in Windows 10. So as always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.